everybody, Chris Shaffer with Team Pautzke coming to you from Central Tennessee. Matter of fact, we're about 15 or 20 minutes from Nashville catching planted rainbow trout. The state of Tennessee has a wonderful winter stocking program. We're going to show you how easy it is to go out there with your kids and catch plenty of stock trout in the winter months when many people think there's no fishing at all. Tennessee does a great job stocking some wonderful 10 to 12 inch rainbows. We're going to show you how you can stay close to home and catch a lot of fish. Let's go have some fun.
Oh, there he is. Ooh, a little bit bigger gray here.
Better fish?
Yep, nicer fish. Beautiful rainbow.
Woo, not a bad fish, actually.
Oh, yeah. That was on the silver label.
Where'd you get him? Right in the mouth.
You can see the silver flake on my finger.
I actually can. We've done a lot of fishing across the Southeast, really everywhere in the United States, the Rocky Mountains, Pacific Northwest, Sierra Nevada, up through the Appalachians, and guess what, guys? Trout eat the same thing no matter where they're stocked. What is their favorite thing? Balls of fire salmon eggs. We used 3 different kind of salmon eggs today. We used our brand spanking new silver label, a little bit of the gold label, orange deluxe, and we actually used some yellow jackets too. Why do we have 4 different kind of eggs? Very simple. We'd start off with orange deluxe, drop an orange egg down there, get hit 4 or 5 times. They'd become accustomed to that, have to switch to yellow, then back over red. Come out here today, come out with an assortment of different eggs. A lot of times you can grab a marshmallow, add that with an egg as well, and you'll have the success like we did. Take your time, take your time. You got it, just slow down, take your time. Oh, it's a nice one too. This one's bigger than the last one. Real slow, real slow. Nice. Now lift him up over the bank so he doesn't fall in. Bam, hold that. Yeah, all on his own. Look at that.
There you go. Nice and easy. Ready? Watch this. Here we go.
I see a little bit of a smile there. A little bit.
You get a Tennessee smile? Cowboy. There we go. Look at that thing. What do you think?
All right.
You have fun? Yeah. Hey, beat school, right? Yeah. All right. You gonna go put them on the stringer for us? All right, you got them? We're fishing Nice Mill Dam today, catching rainbow trout. Stalkers, 8 to 12 inches. We've hooked occasional fish over 14 inches. And we want to explain to you guys how easy it is to take your kids and enjoy this resource. What a wonderful, wonderful place to fish.
There you go. Flip it back over. Let's see if the bite comes.
There you go. Reel. Fish on. Reel.
On his own!
Yeah, bud.
Woo! Is it on?
Yeah, he's
nice.
Fish on. Nice ones. Yeah?
All on his own.
Coming. Good job, bud. That sucker bit pretty good, huh?
Is it a bigger one? It's fighting like it's a bigger one. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see. We're getting a good grade of fish. Look at how pretty that one is. Again, kind of repetitive, but we're on the silver label. The new egg we just offered. You can see the silver on my finger. Yeah. The new egg.
Nice. To the stringer he goes.
To the okay, you ready? You getting tired of running down there? All right. Got it? I want to talk to you guys how basic and simple our setup was today. We start off with a little egg hook. There's some different sizes available, but smaller the better sometimes. This is the right size hook for a single egg. What I do is I tie my single egg onto my main line. Today we were using 4-pound test. How we get that egg down to the bottom is as easy as it gets. We grab a split shot and we push it on there. We don't tie a leader, we don't tie anything. This is our main line. You know, we get asked a lot about rods and reels. You know, sometimes a longer rod could help getting a little bit more distance on your cast. But you know, don't overthink it. We're using 5-foot rods, little small reels, some 4 pounds, some fisheries we fish 6-pound test. keep it easy. This is a light, fun fishery, and this is a how-to, how to set up. So we're here on kind of a higher water situation, but what we've decided to do is try to find some slacker water and fish some of these seams away from the fast water where these trout are laying.
No way!
Hey, dude!
Reel, over to the bank. Don't reel anymore. Don't reel anymore. Yeah! Here, hold that. Hold that. Hey, you did that all on your own.
Gosh.
Whoa. All right, take your fish back.
Wait.
Take your fish back.
Just hold it. Hold it. Put the glove down.
But when I wear my gloves, it doesn't get all slimy and I can actually hold it. Dad, how did Colton catch one by himself?
Got it? There we go.
Got it.
He's 18.
Look at that. All on his own. Tell me what happened.
So I casted it. My dad thought I couldn't do it. And then this came and then I just reeled it in.
Did the bobber go down?
Yes.
And you just, boom, whooped up on it, huh?
Yes.
Perfect. Nice job.
All right, we got a nice fish on here. This is on our new silver label. We're using all kinds of different eggs today. We're using yellow jackets, orange deluxe, gold label. But I've been kind of partial today to this silver label egg. And it's been doing me really, really well. Look
That's
at
a
this
nice one, actually.
Beautiful trout. And it just came off the hook there right at the last second, kind of lifting it up this bluff.
Look at the colors for a planet fish. That's phenomenal.
Tennessee rainbows. Beautiful. Doubles.
Woo!
Take it easy now. Remember, soft. Look. Right in that
Yeah,
rock.
just take your time. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Nice and easy. Easy, soft. Slow.
Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Over here, over here, over here. Yes!
Yeah.
Hey, look, he's got a friend. He's got a friend.
Hold on to that line right there.
Look at that.
Look at this beautiful resource state of Tennessee's offering. We're 20 minutes from Nashville. Does it get any better than this, bud?
No.
All right. Perfect. You know, we were a little concerned when we got here this morning because these are probably about the worst conditions that you can get when you're fishing in central Tennessee. You have had a lot of rain, so we have extremely high water, we have murky water, and we have turbid water. So the fact that we can come down here today and catch as many fish as we did speaks volumes at the success of what we're doing with salmon eggs here today, and shows you how easy it would be to catch fish if it didn't have a heavy rain beforehand and the water was down a little bit. The state of Tennessee does a fabulous job stocking urban fisheries and remote fisheries from Memphis to Nashville all the way to Knoxville during the winter months. This fishery, the specific fishery right here, is good from December all the way through the middle of March, and then it kind of tapers off. It gets too warm for the trout, they're gone. Another thing, we filmed in Texas last week and most of the fish were about 8-9 inches. Very small stockers, people loved them. These fish are much better. 10 to 12 inch fish, you're going to find some to 14 inch fish. Fabulous place to spend the winter months.
We're on them now.
Oh yeah! Show it to us. All on your own.
Legend!
Yes, sir. Awesome. Okay.